In the last video, we promised to break down key defense subsectors shaping India's strategic edge. Let's begin with one of the fastest growing and most urgent areas, anti-drone systems. So what are they? Anti-drone systems are technologies that detect, track and neutralize rogue drones. Detection is done through radars, RF sensors and cameras. Tracking happens at command center where data is fused together. And neutralization or the kill step can be done in two ways. Soft kill using jammers, spoofing or cyber takeover, or hard kill using guns, lasers or even micro missile systems. What makes these systems so valuable? It's the brain, not just the body. The software and command modules are the central nervous system of anti-drone solution, accounting for nearly 1/3 of the overall cost. These modules don't just connect the radars, jammers or detectors, they fuse all the incoming data, run advanced algorithms to classify threats and decide real-time whether to jam, spoof or neutralize a drone. Without this software intelligence, the hardware is just scattered pieces. It's the command and control layer that transforms sensors into a shield, enabling faster response, minimizing false alarms and allowing seamless upgrades as drone technology evolves. In a battlefield where drones are becoming smarter, this digital backbone is what ensures India's anti-drone systems remain effective and future-ready. Now let's talk about companies powering India's anti-drone push. Zen Technologies has been a front-runner in India's counter-drone space, with systems like Vyom Kavach that integrate both soft kill and hard kill options. The company often points out that in several tenders, the bids were the only ones meeting the technical benchmarks. But the opportunity is far too large for one company alone. Big Bang Boon Solutions with its Vajra Sentinel, Alpha Designs and Bharat Electronics with integrated jammer and laser systems, Anna Drone Systems moving from target drones into counter-drone tech, Access Kits developing man-portable systems, and Paras Defense alongside other startups are all stepping in. Together, they are shaping into one of the most dynamic and competitive segment of India's defense industry. Why this rush? Because the opportunity is massive. Globally, counter-drone is set to expand from $1.9 billion to over $15 billion by 2032. That's 26% CAGR. In India, the government estimates a need of over 1,200 anti-drone systems just to cover 15,000 km of border. That's a 100 billion opportunity over the next 5 years. In short, drones are the new age threat, and India's defense industry is quickly building the shield. For us, this shield could be one of the most exciting growth stories in the coming decade.